Are your headlights looking tired and foggy? That cloudy haze not only makes your car look older, it's a real safety hazard too. But don't worry, I'm going to show you how to bring them back to life, all by yourself. Here's what you need: Surface P10 cutting cream, a microfiber cloth, some duct tape, 3 types of sandpaper, P1500, P2000, and P2500, a soft flatting block, and a bucket of water with a little bit of dishwashing soap. For polishing, you can use either a polishing machine or a drill with a backing plate and a polishing sponge. A drill works great for getting into corners, but today I'm using a polishing machine. Got it? Let's get started. First up, tape off the area around your headlights. You don't want to accidentally sand your paint. A little prep now saves you a big headache later. We'll start with the P1500 sandpaper. Dip it in your soapy water and wrap it around the foam flatting block. Lightly sand the headlight. You'll notice the headlight surface turning matte. Don't panic. That's exactly what we want. Keep the sandpaper wet and continue until all the scratches and oxidation are gone. Next, we move up to P2000 grit. The goal here is to remove the scratches left by the P1500. Keeping the sandpaper wet, sand in circles until you achieve an even matte finish. Now, for the final sanding step, repeat the process with P2500 grit. This fine grit will set the surface perfectly for polishing. And now for the magic. Take your polishing sponge and give it a quick spray of water to soften it up. Now, apply the Surface P10 cutting cream directly to the polishing pad. A blob about the size of a 50-cent coin should do. Then gently press it onto the headlight and spread it over the surface. Start your machine on a slow speed, working in circular motions with even pressure. You'll begin to see the haze disappear and the shine return. As the polish works in, you can slowly increase the speed. If the polish starts to dry up, just give your pad a light mist of water and keep going. Time for the big reveal. Buff off that polish with a clean microfiber cloth. And just look at that difference. Clear, bright, and as good as new. From cloudy and dull to clear and bright, all with just a few steps and a little elbow grease. Want to make your headlights shine like this? Visit us at www.johnspaints.co.za or drop by John's Paints for our Headlight Restoration Kit. See clearer, drive safer.